If you are holding XRP or any crypto, this is an emergency video. The crypto market is on fire at the very moment. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Look, Bitcoin is breaking out, going absolutely crazy at $66,000, almost $67,000. And the people in my Patreon are making a massive fortune because we longed at the very bottom right here. So with Bitcoin pumping, guess what that means? That means Ethereum is pumping. Guess what that means when Ethereum is pumping? XRP is on the verge of a massive breakout. Here we have XRP had crashed down with all that FUD, the appeal news, all that stupid war FUD. We have consolidated here. We are now breaking out and holding above the previous resistance. This is incredibly bullish. And I think XRP is going to travel quickly back up to 60 cents, 65 cents. Once this move begins to happen, XRP is going to start skyrocketing. And I think XRP is going to skyrocket to $1. Look at this. XRP news today. Court timelines in US elections hold XRP in limbo. One particular thing, ladies and gentlemen, XRP's performance could shift after the US presidential election with a Trump victory favoring XRP recovery. If Donald Trump gets elected, this is going to be incredibly bullish for XRP and crypto regulation. Cryptos are going to pump beyond your greatest imagination. And we're not even going to get into that in this video. We've talked about it many times, but Trump is going to pump cryptos. There is no disputing this. Cryptos are going to pump beyond their I can't even describe in words. I can't even come up with a word of how bullish that is going to be for XRP and crypto. Look at this. XRP to be adopted by big global banks as Ripple eyes growing $16 trillion custody market. So guess what is going on? In a significant move to bolster its position in the digital asset infrastructure space, Ripple has announced a major expansion of its custody services. What it basically means is right here. The features aim to provide bank-grade tools to fintech and crypto-native businesses. This is what Ripple does. This is what Ripple is doing and going to do. Banks and institutions are going to be using Ripple for custody, crypto custody, monetary custody services. And we are talking $16 trillion, and just a portion of the trillion, the $16 trillion uses XRP and Ripple for these custody services, among many other things that Ripple can do. The price is going to skyrocket. That's why people are saying $589 for XRP. If XRP Ripple captures a tiny portion of these trillions of dollars markets, hundreds of trillions for certain derivatives markets, 16 trillion here for crypto custody services, for bank custody, crypto custody, just a portion of this $1 trillion is used, XRP will be worth trillions of dollars, which would put it to hundreds and hundreds of dollars in the near future. Personally, XRP is a long-term investment in this next year. I think XRP is obviously going to pump, but we're going to really start to see XRP pump when these things begin to come to fruition and not just start, but are actually being used by hundreds of other banks and institutions. So it's going to take years, but in the next few years, that is when XRP is going to be going to these crazy price predictions. And this is a coin we want to be holding for the long term, of course. When it pumps up massively, yes, it's good to take profits. And then once it breaks back down again and goes dips, that's when you could buy. You can buy more. You could trade it like that, or you could just buy and hold long term and just put it away for years and come back in a couple of years when we could potentially be all multi-millionaires, and some people will be even XRP billionaires. If you were in the Patreon, you would have caught this massive move just the past few days. Make sure you are in there. I'm also teaching people how to become profitable traders. If you guys want to learn how to do that, join the Patreon for that as well. I have a school tier for that if you want to become a full-time trader, and it's not that difficult. Make sure you guys are using ALGOSNIPER. It called this entire move on every crypto across the board just the past couple of days. It's even calling it on XRP. But let me give you an example. This is Bitcoin right here only 3-hour time frame. It worked on every single time frame. You get a buy alert at the very bottom. That means you buy and you hold. And look, it's already ripped all the way up. So you'd have bought near 61,000 on this time frame here. We can go even lower, but you would have wrote it all the way to nearly $67,000. We're also put a buy alert at 60,000. So you have this, you will have ALGOSNIPER. It's going to tell you when to sell before the market crashes. You guys can most importantly try it today for $1 at algosniper.com. Make sure you guys are also trading on Blowfin and giving away $1,000 to anyone who's trading on Blowfin using my link. But Blowfin is giving away $10,000 in deposit bonuses if you sign up, trade up on my link. This is going to be, despite all the deposit bonuses, it's the cheapest platform out there. It's the most secure. And that's what's very important when you are trading. You want to have the cheapest fees. Use my link below to get started with your crypto futures trading. Make sure you follow my Twitter. Check out the things in my video description, and I will see you guys later.